Hi everybody, what we're going to do today is we're going to look at a tri-square. So what is it, why do we use it, and how can we use it properly? So first of all, it's made up of a stock, which is a hardwood, usually rosewood, and a steel blade, and these are at 90 degrees to each other. Now the steel blade is connected to the stock by these 3 brass rivets. Okay, now what we actually use it for, we use this to draw lines at 90 degrees to the edge of wood, and we can also check to see if the wood is square. So what we'll do is we get a piece of wood here. Let's just say you want to draw a line coming down here from the edge of 100 millimeters. What we need to do is get our steel rule, put it up against the very edge, and find 100 millimeters and then mark it. Okay. Now what you don't want to do is get your tri-square and just start drawing lines all the way around, because what will happen is they won't meet properly and your lines will be crooked. So what you do first of all is draw this symbol. So this is your face side, looks like a little ribbon. Where it cuts the timber here at the edge, give it a pair of legs. There it is. So face side, face edge. Now you only use face side, face edge up against the stock of your tri-square. So for this first one here, push it up against it, like so. Now, as you can see now, I'm reaching over like that. So what I like to do is keep it in my left hand as I'm right-handed. Put your pencil in like that, and you can see exactly what you're doing. Same thing with that. If my mark is there, I can't see it properly, so always use this edge over here. Now, to do this edge here, I put the stock up against face side or face edge. This one on face side, like so. Okay, this two done. Draw the next one now. I'm going to use this side, so push up against it, down like that. One last one then over here. Now there's no symbol here, there's no symbol there, so what I'm going to do is go from this side. So there's your tri-square stock up against that symbol like so. Push it up to it, and they should meet up like so. Okay. Now in the next video I'm going to show you how to draw this in 3D. Okay, bye now.